This is example 6 of lesson 1.3. The length of an American football field is 200 feet more than the width. If the perimeter of the field is 1,040 feet, what are its dimensions? Meaning, what are the length and the width? So if we let x represent the width, then x plus 200 would be the length, since it says the length is 200 feet more than the width. We can then think about our formula for perimeter, which is 2 times the width plus 2 times the length equals the perimeter of a rectangle. So let's say 2 times our width, which is x, plus 2 times our length, which is x plus 200, is going to equal our perimeter of 1,040. Now we have our equation set up. Let's go ahead and go through the steps of solving. So we'll start with the distributive property. Combining like terms, 2x plus 2x is 4x. We'll go ahead and subtract 400 from both sides. And finally, we'll divide both sides by 4. So we get x to be 160, so that is our width. The width is 160 feet. And if the length is 200 feet longer than the width, then that means the length would be 360 feet. So altogether, our dimensions are 160 feet by 360 feet. A width of 160 and a length of 360.